Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cards, pwwcards.com. We're getting ready to do a mixer break, 5-box mixer break of 2018, one case of 2018 Panini National Treasures Baseball and one box of 2018 Topps Dynasty. So it's a 5-box, 4 boxes here, 1 box here. This is the first one we're doing, so this is a sealed case, but thanks for getting in the break. Appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get this thing rolling. Here is our case of Dynasty with still a shipping label on it. But as you can see, sealed and ready to go. We'll just take, why don't we take one off the top? How about that? Get our 1 box of Dynasty. Oh, well, it's not even laid in there that way. How about we'll start on the left here, so that'll net us some good results. There's our Dynasty box. We'll save the other ones for another mixer or something like that. We'll set that over here. Then here's our case of National Treasures. As you can see, sealed and ready to go. As always, if you would like shipping insurance, signature confirmation, and or a magnetic case one-touch for any of your hits, you can get that at pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. Excited to see what we have. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. All right, there's that. We'll do the Dynasty box last since it has, it only has 1 card in it. So I think that's. So we'll save that. Save that for last. Box number 1. Here we go. All right, first up, we have a Victor Caratini Rookie Materials Dual Swatch 88 out of 99 going out to Chicago. That would be Edward A. Congratulations, Edward. Next up, we have a Rookie Materials for the Yankees 21. Oh, sorry, I'm a little low, aren't I? 21 out of 99 Rookie Materials on that one going out to the Yankees and Jim B. Next up, we got a Dennis Eckersley, 47 out of 99. Single color swatch going out to Oakland. Oakland is Jeremy F. Congrats, Jeremy. Then we have a Century Materials Jackie Robinson. Wow, 12 out of 25. Jackie Robinson, dual jersey relic going out to the Dodgers. Edward A. Congratulations. Then we have Hometown Heroes Willie Calhoun of the Texas Rangers, 83 out of 99. Hometown Heroes Willie Calhoun for the Texas Rangers. Texas is Jeremy F. Then we have a printing plate patch auto. I don't even know who is that. Oh, Josh Bell, the Pittsburgh Pirates. 1 of 1. How about that? For the Pirates. 1 of 1. Very nice patchwork there. 3 colors. Going out to Pittsburgh and Jim B. Congratulations, Jim. Next up, big old thickie. Look at that. Is a Kyle Farmer for the Los Angeles Dodgers. 31 out of 99 with the dual relic RPA. Rookie auto. Rookie patch auto. 31 out of 99. Going out to the Dodgers, Edward A. Congrats. Then we have, how about this, a Cal Ripken 4 of 5 with the red, white, and blue. On-card auto. That is going out to Baltimore and Donovan H. Congrats, Donovan. Next up, we have a dual debut material signature, 29 out of 99. And that is going to be for both for New York, Clint Frazier and Miguel Andujar with the jumbo relic See if we can get some Jumbo Relic Auto. Both are stickers, which is kind of whatever, but there you go. I don't know why it's not wanting to focus on those, but not liking them. There we go. Andujar and Frazier. Congratulations to the Yankees, Jim B. Congratulations, Jim. That does it for box number 1. Box number 2. Box 2, it's a little bit of a thickie. All right, first up, Freddie Freeman, 85 out of 99, single color relic. Then how about this? A button. Cody Bellinger, 1 of 2 with the button relic. Cute as a button, I think they say. Going out to the Dodgers. Another hit for the Dodgers and Edward A. Congrats. Next up, Century Materials Al Kaline for the Detroit Tigers. 8 out of 99. 8 out of 99 with the bat relic. Going out to Detroit. Detroit is Samuel L. Congrats on that. Then we have another Century Materials. This is Eddie Matthews for Milwaukee. 6 out of 49 dual bat relic. Going out to the Brew Crew and Anthony O. Next up from Minnesota, it is a Zach Granite with the 4-color RPA, 1 out of 49. Zach Granite from Minnesota and Edward A. Congrats, Edward. The card coming to you. Next up, for the Yankees, it is a triple relic auto, 8 out of 99. 8 out of 99 going out to the Yankees. Tyler Wade. Jim B, that is coming to you. Then we have a college rookie material signatures. Andrew Stevenson, 15 out of 25 with that 2-color patch from LSU. Nice on-card auto. Next up, we have an on-card auto for Victor Robles. 69 out of 99 rookie signatures. Very nice hit going out to the Nationals. Washington is Aaron O. That's Aaron. Then we have a debut material signatures. Again, this one is 4 out of 25. And it is an Austin Hayes. Wow, look at that patchwork. That is nasty. Even messy almost. Austin Hayes. Was that Milwaukee or Brave? Maybe. Oh, Eddie Matthews. Yeah, probably. You're right. I'll have to look that up. Double check on that. But that is, this one's going out to Baltimore. Baltimore is Donovan H. Congratulations, Donovan, on that nice patch auto. Box 2 is in the books. Yeah, I'll look that up. That Eddie Matthews. I think he's Braves, actually. Whoa, that's a nice card. Nice patchwork there. All right, first up, look at this. All kinds of crazy patchwork there. 5 out of 10 Rhys Hoskins for the Philadelphia Phillies. That is a nice card. Some nice patchwork there going out to Philly and MR. Congratulations. M. Next up for Boston, it's Rafael Devers, rookie material single color relic, 90 out of 99. After that, Game Gear, Ryan Sandberg, 33 of 99, going out to the Cubbies, and Edward A. Next up, how about an Elston Howard, 51 out of 99 for New York. 51 out of 99, single color relic. I assume that's Yankees. Teammates with Mantle and Maris, so that would be Yankees. Jim B. Next up for Boston, Treasured Signatures, Andrew Benintendi, 4 out of 99. 4 out of 99, Andrew Benintendi. Going out to Boston, Matthew M. Next up for Baltimore, Chance Sisco with the triple relic on-card auto, 3 out of 99 on that one. 3 out of 99. Again, Baltimore hitting again with Donovan H. Coming to you. Big old patch here. Look at this. Jack Flaherty, 5 out of 99 with that 3-color RPA. That is a nice card. Going out to St. Louis. MR. Congratulations to the Cardinals. That is a nice hit. Then we have for the Yankees, it is a Clint Frazier, 44 out of 49 triple relic auto. Going out to the Yankees and Jim B. Congrats. Next up, Legend Materials, 37 out of 49. Going out to Boston and Ted Williams. Let's see this. Oh, little old school patch there on a booklet. Or swatch, I guess, more than a patch. That goes out to Boston, Matthew M. That is coming your way. And that does it for box number 3. All right, box number 4 coming at you. Another thickie. Did I get it? All right, first up, league leader Aaron Judge, 92 out of 99, single color swatch. That's like the tiniest little jersey relic there. Going out to the Yankees, Jim B. Whoa! Here we go. How about this? A bat knob. Feeling the knob. Rafael Devers, 1 of 1 bat knob. Going out to Boston, Matthew M. Coming to you, my friend. Feast your eyes on that knob. There you go, my friend. Congratulations. Next up, Nolan Ryan. The Ryan Express. 9 out of 10. 3-color patch. Going out to the Rangers. Texas is Jeremy F. Then we have Century Materials Frankie Frisch. Frisch's fame. No, I was kidding. Triple bat relic. St. Louis. There you go. MR, I believe. Then we have a redemption. Rookie Material Signatures Gold. Joey Lucchesi? Joey from around the way. Anyway, congrats on that. Next up, we have an Alex Verdugo for the Dodgers. 13 out of 49. Triple relic auto. Come on, help me out, camera. There we go. 13 out of 49. Dodgers. That's going to be Edward A. Congrats. Next up for the Phillies, it's Scott Kingery. Triple patch auto. 69 out of 99. Going out to Philly. Philly is MR. Next up, we have a Rafael Devers, 48 of 49, 3-color RPA. Pretty nice, going out to Boston, as if Boston didn't have enough. Matthew, you are having a break, my friend. Congratulations. Last but not least, oh my goodness, how about a 1 of 1 cut signature material from Brooklyn Dodgers? Whoa, look at that, Leo DeRocher. DeRocher? Either way, that is awesome. Going out to the Dodgers. Edward A. Got some fuzzy jersey action going on over there. That is disgusting. What? 3 1-of-1s, including a bat relic. Man, what a case. All right, 1 box remains. That's the Dynasty box. Good luck to everybody. Let's see what we have. Come on. All right, here we go. It is none other than a Freddie Freeman 1 of 10. 1 of 10, Freddie Freeman going out to the Atlanta Braves, Martin L. That is coming to you. Nice in-case card, low numbered. And that is coming to you. So there you go, my friend. That does it for the break. We'll get this sorted and shipped out. If you want shipping, insurance, signature confirmation, and or a magnetic case, one touch for any of your hits, get those at pwwcards.com. We'll probably do another one of these next week. We still have 4 more boxes of Dynasty, so got some more cases of NT. So we'll look forward to breaking in with you soon. Hope you have a great night and a great week. Peace.